I personally feel India is greater than personalities. I would very much like that Mr. Modi becomes the Prime Minister of this country again. And I think my personal judgment at this moment says the BJP tally will surprise on the upside. So, but I feel BJP will come.
So why do you want Mr. Modi back?
Because I agree with his policies. You don't agree with Jan Dhan. You don't want everybody to have a bank account. You don't agree with everybody should have a toilet. You know how I describe Mr. Modi? He's a distilled socialist. Who is a socialist? Who's fighting that give me more piece of the cake, more piece of the cake. Mr. Modi is also fighting for more piece of the cake. But he knows that as a capitalist, he should first try and increase the size of the cake. Right? And then fight for the share. If Mr. Modi may not meet you and me, but if he comes to know that there is a potential American who will invest $1 billion in this country, he will meet him at 3 o'clock in the night. Yeah, he will. What's wrong? He needs investment in this country. So I think his policies are decisive, his policies are correct. And see, I tell you, to really know this country, there are only 2 Indian Prime Ministers who experience poverty. One is Lal Bahadur Shastri and one is Modi. And, you know, my mother had never to cook on a chula. We were from a middle class family, she used to cook on a gas. Mr. Modi's mother used to cook on a chula. He knows what the effect it has on that woman. So see, we living in cities may not sympathize with what the government is doing for the poor. But seeing the difference in, I'm a capitalist. Words sound hypothetical from my mouth. But it's a reality that we have to do good social welfare without leakage. So I think Mr. Modi's policies are the correct policies, right? And they will help in bringing economic prosperity in this country. Also, I think I like the BJP because I'm an Indian and it has a pride for India. You know, the original, right? You know, the original constitution of the Jansangh said that we must fight to be a member of the Security Council. We want to win an Olympic medal. We want to send a man to Mars. There is pride in India and Indianness. I'm not saying Hindu and Hinduness, India and Indianness. So why should I not? And don't you want a common civil code? You tell me one thing. Why should we not have a common civil code? Why should, if I'm married to a person of my community, but if I'm married to a Christian, does she know her, what confusion there is about right of marriage, divorce, succession, right? Why should I not be allowed to own land in Jammu and Kashmir? I want to ask, right? So I have to fight for my Indianness. I have to have a tough stance against Pakistan. I have to fight for Indian pride. I say, why should I not be allowed to make a temple? What is so wrong if one temple is made? I say, I don't want to incite violence for it. But the world is not going to end if one temple is made, if you believe that Ram was born there. So I am an out and out BJP supporter.